Welcome to Ozford, located at 310 King Street, Melbourne. Level 7 is home to our high school student hub. Our students spend lunchtimes and breaks in the student lounge, which is equipped with microwaves, fridges, vending machines, as well as a foosball table, piano, and computers for students to use. This is our higher education lecture hall, used by our Diploma of Business and Bachelor students. Here we have the Level 10 Ozford reception. This is an CRICOS class. These students are studying General English. Welcome to the library, which has all the resources that students need, including newspapers, textbooks, computers, and DVDs. We have a huge range of online resources for students to access via our Moodle. Come and study with us at Ozford. If you have any general inquiries, contact Holly at the email address on screen. For students from Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, contact Ivy. For onshore students from China, contact Chester. And for offshore students from China, contact Nicole. And for students from India and the subcontinent, contact Susan. You can also connect with us on our Ozford Facebook page at Ozford Australia.